Welcome to the Celebright Cloud app. We'll be going over the core features today. The app was built from the ground up to allow faster implementation of your ideas, but keep the same look and feel. As you launch the app, you'll find yourself on the device screen, the control hub for your Celebright devices. Choose the system you want to manage. Multiple systems linked to your account will populate this screen. Once a device is selected, you have several options. We'll be starting with Settings. Tailor your app experience in the settings. Modify language, name, username, email, password, and sign out of your Celebright device. Once you're done with settings, fine-tune your device specifics. Change device name, location, time zone, bulb type, bulb count, and perform actions like rebooting, factory resetting, or removing the device from your account. You can also review your device from this screen. With that out of the way, we can now be focused on the bottom icons on the screen. We'll be going from left to right, starting on color. Effortlessly set the tone for your entire home on this screen. Pick a color and adjust its brightness. Quick access to default colors is right below the color wheel. And the second row is for custom favorites. A simple long press saves your current color choice. Once you have a feel for the color page, we'll move on to the next page, bulbs. Each square represents a unique bulb on your home with the number set during installation. Tap the color swatch in the upper left corner to set the desired color. On the bulb screen, choose individual bulbs and double tap to turn them off. Find your corners and set the right bulbs for the perfect pot light effect on your home. Don't forget to save it for later. Moving on to the pattern page, this is where the real fun begins. Select from over 17 patterns, each with adjustable sliders to create the perfect ambiance. Use pre-made color palettes or match your custom palette from the bulb page. Turn on the smooth gradient for seamlessly blended colors. Tap the color swatch in the upper left corner to set the desired color and apply it to your palette. Found a setting you love? Save it as a preset with a name and description. It will be accessible in the preset library. Once your preset is saved, we'll move over to the preset page. You can explore factory presets and your own creations in this section. Activated presets are highlighted in green and animated. Edit presets directly from this screen and explore details by selecting the Info button. Don't feel creative? Find something that suits your home in the public preset library. Discover presets shared by other users in this community hub. Preview a preset on your home by selecting the eyeball icon. If you like it, download it to your device. The feature preset is regularly updated to match holidays or events. To download, select the three dots. Swipe through the categories or choose to view all. Check out the most popular presets or explore the recently added for something fresh. Want a specific vibe? Use the orange button to search. Once downloaded, they'll be saved to your account. Now it's time to make sure your system comes on when you want it to. Effortlessly manage scheduled presets with two views, a calendar and an event list. The calendar view provides a daily overview, and the event list displays chronological order. When scheduling, provide a name, start and end times, and preset title. Edit events by selecting them, customize repeat options, and set priorities. Daily repeats coexist with high-priority events seamlessly. Finally, the last two most important buttons, the hotkeys. The first hotkey is the hourglass. This allows you to edit your daily schedule. The second one is the power button. Once tapped, resume your schedule, turn off lights, or disable the scheduled sleep mode effortlessly. Now you know everything you need to know about the Celebright Cloud app to enjoy your lights to the fullest.